and just flat. So we'll have a nice size and nice round, a little bit, and also will be even. So, and crispy outside but moisture inside. Here we go. That's what we're going to try to make it. And this. And then now it's just flat. Now because there's no oil anymore, we can add now olive oil. So we don't use too much oil. And this, that's it. Now we're going to flip up, otherwise I almost burn it. Wait. Ooh. Yes. And you can see is, here we go. Look, it's so beautiful and nice. Yummy, dipped with the vinegar and onion and some leeks. Yes. And that's it. Double tap, guys. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. And this, I show you what